How's it going? We're going to go ahead and draw Art the Clown from the Terrifier. This has been very much requested, so follow along, or you can watch the video, but stay to the very end and you'll learn a lot. Let's do it. Line out over here for kind of the top of the nose, top part of the nose, the bridge of the nose, pulling down for kind of, continuing down the nose, bridge of the nose. Tip of the nose right here. Curve up right there. Go on the nostril. And nostril right here. So far, so good. Line up right there. Line up here for the bridge. Okay. So far, so good. Let's draw over here where the eye is going to begin. Up over here, down. Line over here. Cool, cool, cool. Line over here on this side. Up over here for the top of the lid. Down over here. Right on. And we can kind of thicken out that area because, he does kind of have this like guy liner kind of thing going on. Just kind of thicken that out. Curve over here. Curve over here for the iris and pupil there. Highlight, dot, highlight, and then dot right there for the pupil. You can even make it a little bit darker, to be honest, because, his eye is kind of, pretty dark. Line up over here. He has this, like, I don't know, slash that goes through the eye right there. Very mime-like. Mime-like here. Line right there for kind of the crick of the mouth. That's going to be, that's going to happen there. Line right there. Line right here on this side. Line over here for the mouth. Curve out right there. And so his lips are painted black, so that's going to be, something we're going to take into account. Line over here for kind of the lip. Down. Down right here. And we're going to have the teeth, they kind of grit in a way they clamp together. So something that it makes things look creepy, and you want to pay attention to this because there's a lot of drawings, is showing the gum line makes things look creepy. I don't know why. Sometimes it just looks really weird. So right there, we're showing the gum line, right? And we're separating out each tooth. You don't have to separate it out like that accurately. Just, close enough would work. Something like that. And then he's got his bottom row of teeth over here, right? And he's making a couple of different expressions sometimes with the... Not really, it's usually just kind of smiling and creepy smile, right? And you can kind of find it over here and then curve down. Line over here. There you go. It's kind of where the mouth is. And down right here. Out over here for the lips. We're finding the outside of the lips. Kind of going there. Alright, so far so good. Go over here now, out. He's got these bizarre cheekbone thing going on. Downward. Go over here. Actually, I forgot. We got to find the bottom row of teeth first. Yeah, so it looks like he's clamping his teeth together. Down over here. Across. Up over here. Up over there. And over here to his other cheekbone. Kind of giving him a little cartoony twist here. Line right there. Line over here. Upward. Curve over here. And we're going to give him this goofy hat. Don't forget, check out the link in the description. There's a bunch of cool stuff there. Take a look at it. I'm going to be posting throughout the year, so stick around. But I need your help, I need your help. Please hit the like if you like this kind of stuff to help the channel survive. Go to other videos maybe if you like them. Hit the like. Definitely helps out the activity. You guys are amazing, by the way. That's the only reason I do this because, I like doing this for one, and also just everybody's so nice to doing it. Over here, let's get this little hat in. Cross, down. Right there's little top hat. Pulling down over here the back of his skull. His ear is covered by this bizarre little cover, and we're going to pull it down here. A line down here for the neck. A line over here for the neck, like the bottom of the neck here. And he's got this, I don't know, cloth that goes down right there. We could draw thin little lines right here to show that. So here's a big thing. We have to go across his forehead. Right over there. Curve down. That's a big thing. It's got this like bald cap thing going on. Line over here, up, where you see that where that's sewn together. Line, 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 line. And he's got the eyebrows that are literally drawn on. There we go. That gets him more into his character. Let's draw some thin lines right here. Line over there for the nose. And let's fill in the cheeks. Let's fill in the... Dang, we have to be careful here with the lips. The reason is because it's black and it's just going to like kill the space, right? We don't want that. We want... maybe we can just... Maybe leave a line on the outside of the lips. Like a little thin line on the outside. Or maybe the inside, we'll see. But just kind of filling it in and then feeling it out, because you don't want to hide stuff sometimes, right? It's just going to look like a crevice area. You want it to look like its lips that are painted. That's pretty good. I guess we can kind of take it further here. Whew, man, this marker smells. By the way, definitely open the window there if you do this. You know, like it's a big deal. I don't have my fan on. I should have had my fan on. Forgive me. I mean, forgive myself. Line for underneath right there. Little line over here. And let's draw a little bit of a bag under the eye right here. See that? The bags under the eyes really help sell the creepiness factor. You can also do them like around the edge here as well, because this is like a little bit more of an animated version of him. Line down. And if you want, we can fill in the top hat. Just totally fill it in there. Except for the top right there. Just fill in the top hat. There we go. Ah, yeah, I love it. Fill in this top hat. Sweet. Pulling in there. And yeah, there you go. That is the Terrifier there. That is art, kind of more animated version. If you like this, say what's up. Say how's it going in the comment section. Check out the cool links. Go check out the shop as well, by the way. So stay here. We're going to do another drawing lesson together, though, right now. So let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.